Welcome back. In the last session we have updated application.properties into our project. In this video we are going to create the entity, to do entity in our application. So create the package config and class to do. So this is our entity class. So we have to say entity from Jakarta. It will import. Previously it was from JavaX. Now it is Jakarta. Entity table. So our table name is Todo. So let us check the column name on our database create table. So the first is ID, then we have name, then we have description, then we have completed. It's a true and false value, so we have to say boolean completed. Date created, so date from the java.util, and underscore thing we have to convert in camel case format. So date create, date last updated. So first this is our ID and generated value. Strategy is generation type identity, and database column name is ID. Let us copy this column name multiple times. So last updated, in the database it will get converted into underscore format and lowercase. Date updated underscore and C completed description. Okay, so now our Pojo class almost ready, but we haven't created at getter and setter. So for that we will be using Lombok dependencies, getter and setter. So now almost entity class is ready.